whose turn and the story starts anew. Dreams unfold with every word we choose.
Hello, this is Edede Andrew, and I want to introduce you to my book. It is called Exploring Life, a complete guide on scientific classification for animals and plants. That book is a classic for classification, whether it's botanical or zoological. It's a book that will take away the struggles from students and teachers in terms of classification. For those in high schools and also for those in colleges. It's a book I recommend every student in high schools and colleges to go for. If you have a flair for biology, go for it. It will take away all the struggles by the time you're done reading it, all the struggles that are connected or related to classification, botanical or zoological. Even teachers that needs a book that will give them that confidence or boldness to face their students when they are classifying, this book is a good one to go for. So I recommend everybody to go for it. If you're a student and a teacher that is offering biology or teaching biology, go for it. All right, because the different chapters are detailed. And the details I did it in such a way that when you go through, when you read it, it looks as though you are a 10-year-old being taught. I'm telling you, because I made it so simple. That's one. Two, each of the chapters I've included revised questions, revision questions in chapter summaries to test your knowledge, what you got from each of the chapters. So those questions will help test your knowledge on what you got. See? So it's something I recommend everybody to go. All right. How do I get the books? You can get the books on Paystack. You can get it on Amazon. You can get it on Gumroad. You can get it on Seller, depending on the one that you're comfortable with. So here are the steps. 1, pick my YouTube channel addresses on the screen. Copy it, then use that address to get to my YouTube channel. 2, check the description of my YouTube channel. You see the different clickable links there of different platforms that you're comfortable with. 3, select the platforms and get your copies. Then if you're in Nigeria, you want to have several copies, more than maybe 10 copies, 20 copies. My WhatsApp QR code is on the screen. So scan it and give me a DM. And then let's talk and see how we can wheel it to you, because I can wheel it. We can send it to you wherever you are now in Nigeria. We can wheel it to you. All right. So that QR code, scan it and send me a DM. Now, not just for buying. If you're a student and you have challenges with classification and you're looking out for a shoulder to discuss with, that shoulder is me. Scan my QR code and let's talk on my WhatsApp. So I'll be waiting for you on the other side.